Alright, so I got these LED headlight kits from FAHREN, which we are going to go ahead and install on this 2016 Kenworth T680 here. So go ahead and get this opened and see what it looks like inside. So I went ahead and opened the box here. Here's the front of them. Got a little instruction manual in here, which hopefully we won't need. Hopefully we'll be able to put it in. Hopefully it's pretty self-explanatory. So it looks like it should just be plug and play. So I don't know. Let's go under the hood and see what it looks like in there and see how we get these bad boys installed. Alright, so I got the hood open. Installing these is actually really easy. I just did the other one, but we'll do this one. So we'll take this bad boy off here. Oh, I turned this right way actually. I'll get this off real quick. Alright, so now I got this off. You can see this piece right here. Just gotta take this off. And there's our bulb in there. Then we're simply gonna take out the old bulb. There's our old bulb, and we're just gonna plug in the new one. So give me a sec here while I do that. Alright, so I got the new bulb here. So we're just gonna simply plug this into there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Just gonna plug this plug right into here. So give me a sec while I do that. Alright, so I went ahead and plugged it and I just twisted it in here. Alright, so we turned them on. And now we got the lights. Alright, and that's it. Nice and easy. Now just gotta put it all back together. So there's the finished product, and the nice thing is we have no alarms on the dash, so we are good to go, my friends. The new LED lights are installed. We will see how they look at night, but if you have any questions ever, just leave some comments and I'll be happy to help you out. But overall, it was a super easy install, so if you're gonna do it, I'd recommend do it. And again, I'll see how these are at night. Hopefully they're gonna be awesome. And y'all have an awesome day. Take it easy. Bye.